When I think about the fashion industry in three words, the first one that comes into my mind is adaptability. Fashion companies in the last year had to face a lot of uncertainty, mainly driven by the evolving consumer expectation, which led them to increase the product and service offering, but also from the economical fluctuation and global crisis. Second word that comes into my mind is digitalization. In an era that has been redefined by a lot of new technological innovation, fashion companies have embraced them in a lot of different areas, starting from the utilization of social media hub for consumer engagement, down to supply chain collaboration platform, robotics, and the utilization of predictive analytics tool to enhance demand forecasting and planning. Third word would be sustainability. Although it might seem to be a buzzword when you talk about sustainability in fashion due to the giant of fast fashion that are prioritizing convenience and quantity against quality, it's also true that there are several brands that are taking this topic quite seriously. A clear example of it is the Sustainability Task Force, which is part of the Sustainability Market Initiative that was created by King Charles in 2021 and has been joined by a lot of fashion companies like Prada, Armani, Burberry or Zalando, just to name a few. This initiative has led, for example, to the creation of the Digital Passport ID, which is a QR code applied to the garments that tells the customer the history of the products and also enable them to understand the material, production process that was applied to them, and also ways to recycle them in an effort to reduce the waste. We as TGW and as a global BD fashion team need to make sure that we constantly stay updated on this kind of trends and develop internal solutions that are really capable to solve the challenges of our customer.